Now practice set 3.2. Two circles touch internally. So these are the two circles which are touching internally at point R, and the radii of the circle is given what? 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter. We have to find out the distance between the two centers. That is, we have to find out this distance between the two centers. So whenever they touch internally, the distance between the two centers is what? Difference between the radii of the two circles. So let the two circles having center P and Q touch each other internally at point R. So QR is equal to how much? QR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And PR is equal to how much? 4.8 centimeter. By the theorem of touching circle. So by the theorem of touching circle, the points P, Q and R are collinear points. So P dash, Q dash, R. So what is the distance between PQ? PQ is equal to what? PR. PR minus PQ. Not PQ, QR. Minus QR. PR minus QR. So what is PR? PR is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5. So that is equal to how much? 1.3 centimeter. So what is the answer? The distance between the center, between the center of the two circles touching internally is 1.3 centimeter. Now two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally. Find the distance between their centers. So we have to find out the distance between P and R. P and R are the centers of the two circles. Now since the diagram is not given, so we have to draw the diagram, and whatever we have drawn in the diagram, we have to explain that. So let the two circles with centers P and R touch each other externally at the point Q, and PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter and QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter. The two circles are touching each other externally. So by the theorem of touching circles, points P, Q, R are collinear points. Therefore, the distance between their centers is equal to the sum of their radii. So if the circle is touching externally, what is the distance between the two centers? The distance between the two centers is equal to what? Sum of their radii. But if the circles are touching internally, then the distance between the two centers will be what? Difference between the radii. So PR will be equal to how much? PR is equal to, that is PR is equal to PQ plus QR. That's equal to 5.5 plus 4.2, that's equal to 9.7 centimeter. So PR is equal to how much? 9.7 centimeter. So what's the answer? The distance between their center is how much? 9.7 centimeter. Now sum number 3 of practice set 3.2, if the radii of two circles 4 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter. So two circles you have to draw. One of the circles radius is 4 centimeter and the second circle's radius is 2.8 centimeter, and both the circles should touch each other. Once you have to draw the circles touching each other externally, and the next you have to draw the two circles touching each other internally. Now we will draw the circles touching externally. So first you take the measurement of radius 4 cm with the help of scale and rounder and draw the first circle. So this is a circle of radius 4 cm. Now measure second radius is how much? 2.8 cm. So measure 2.8 cm. And place it on this line and make it touch the circle. See that it touches the circle. So these are the two circles which touch each other externally. One of the circle is of radius 4 cm and the other circle is of 2.8 cm. Now write down the name of the center. So write the name of the centers. Let us take this as P. Both the circles touch each other externally at the point Q, and the other center, let the other center be R. The measurement of this radius is 4 cm. The measurement of this radius is 2.8 cm. So these are the two circles which touch externally each other. Now we will draw two circles touching internally. Now circles touching internally. Again take measurement of 4 cm. And draw one circle of radius 4 cm. Now measure 2.8 cm. And see that it touches the circle. So these are the two circles which are touching internally. Let this center be P. Let this be R. And the point of contact where both the circles touch each other, that is Q. PQ is equal to how much? 4 cm. And RQ is equal to how much? 2.8 cm. Now sum number 4, they have given two circles with center P and Q. So the circles with center P and Q touch externally at the point R. तो दो सर्कल है जिसका सेंटर P है और दूसरा का सेंटर Q है और दोनों सर्कल एक्सटर्नली टच होता है कौन सा पॉइंट में R में. एंड फ्रॉम R a line is passing through R which intersects this circle at point A and intersects this circle at point B. तो थ्रू आर के थ्रू से एक लाइन पास होता है जो ये सर्कल को ए में इंटरसेक्ट करता है और ये सर्कल को बी में इंटरसेक्ट करता है, और ये तीनों अपन को प्रूव करना है। सेगमेंट ए पी, दैट इज दिस, ए पी इज पैरेलल टू बी क्यू, ये प्रूव करना है। और ये दोनों ट्राइंगल ए पी आर और बी क्यू आर दोनों भी सिमिलर है, प्रूव करना है। सो वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस टू आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द एंगल आर क्यू बी if PAR, that is this angle, is equal to 35 degrees. So these three things we have to do. So the circles with center P and Q touch each other at R. Therefore, P dash R dash Q, that is P R Q are collinear points. What is the reason? Theorem of touching circle. Theorem of touching circles. Now in this angle and this angle, they are vertically opposite angle. Therefore, the two angles are congruent to each other. By which test? Vertically opposite angle. These two angles are equal. That is, angle PRA is congruent to angle BRQ. Let us take this as 1. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Now in this triangle, in triangle APR, तो ये ट्राइंगल में AP is congruent to PR. AP is also radius of the circle. PR is also the radius of the circle. They both are the radius of the same circle. So both should be equal. तो AP और PR radius of the circle है और ये दोनों radius same circle का है, इसके लिए दोनों भी equal रहना चाहिए. So segment AP is congruent to segment PR. Reason what you'll write? Radii of the same circle. Therefore, this angle and this angle will be equal. That is, angle PAR is congruent to angle PRA. Let us take this as 2. What reason you will write? Isosceles triangle theorem. Theorem. Now what is isosceles triangle theorem? पिछले साल पढ़ा था isosceles triangle theorem. If this is a triangle and if these two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to this side and the angle opposite to this side both are congruent. तो अगर triangle है और ये दोनों साइड अगर equal है तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल दोनों भी इक्वल रहेगा, तो इसको बोलता है आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल थ्योरम. सिमिलरली इन दिस ट्राइंगल आल्सो आर क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी क्यू, रेडियस ऑफ द सेम सर्कल. Therefore, this angle and this angle will be equal by isosceles triangle theorem. So segment in triangle RQB, segment RQ is equal to BQ is congruent to seg BQ. Reason what you'll write? Radii of the same circle. Therefore, which angle? Therefore, angle RBQ is congruent to angle BRQ. Let us take this as 3. Reason what you'll write? Isosceles triangle theorem. Now from 1, 2 and 3, what we get? All this 4 angle, 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 angles are congruent to each other. PRA is equal to BRQ and PRA is equal to PAR. So PRA, PAR and BRQ has to be equal, and BRQ is equal to RBQ. So all the 4 angles has to be equal. Therefore, angle PAR is congruent to angle PRA is congruent to angle RBQ is congruent to angle BRQ. Let this be 4. Reason what you'll write from 1, 2 and 3. So from 1, 2 and 3. And 3. Now what we'll get, these 2 angles are equal, PAR. So from 4, what do we get? PAR and RBQ are equal. That is this 2 angle, PAR and RBQ. PAR and RBQ both are equal. So angle PAR is congruent to angle RBQ. Reason what you'll write from 4. Now if you see, these 2 angles are what type of angles? They are alternate angle. One, the AB is a transversal, one is on this side and the other one is on the other side of AB, and both are alternate angles. Therefore AP is parallel to BQ. Therefore Seg AP is parallel to Seg BQ. Alternate angle test. So by alternate angle test, these 2 are parallel to each other. Why? Because this angle and this angle we have got congruent, and these 2 angles are alternate angle. Are we in problem set 3? There is sum number 7, which is same like this first part. Same like till here only we have to prove in sum number 7, problem set 3, and it is an activity based sum, and both the sums are similar. That is sum number 4 of 3.2 and sum number 7 of problem set 3, both are same. Now we will do the second part. Now second part, we have to prove that these 2 triangles are similar. So in triangle APR and a triangle BQR, what we'll get? One of this angle is congruent from one angle PRA. Angle PRA is congruent to angle BRQ. Why? Because they were vertically opposite angles. So you can write from 1. And second one is this angle PAR is congruent to angle RBQ. Why? Because they were alternate angles. So two angles, in order to prove two triangles similar to each other, 2 angles are sufficient. तो 2 triangles similar बताने के लिए 2 angles sufficient है. एक था vertically opposite angle, दूसरा था alternate angles. Therefore, triangle APR is similar to triangle BQR. By which test? AA, test of similarity. So the second one is over. Now we'll prove the third one. Now they have given PAR, angle we have to find out angle RQB. So angle PAR is equal to 35 degree. So we have to find out this angle. So what is this angle and this angle? So PAR is equal to RBQ and BRQ. So what will be angle BRQ? RBQ will be equal to how much? And angle BRQ will be equal to how much? So this is equal to this. This is also equal to this. Since PAR is 35 degree, so this also has to be 35 degree and this also has to be 35 degree. So both the angles are 35 degree. So in triangle BRQ, sum of the angles of triangle is how much? Of triangle is 180. degree. Therefore, angle RBQ plus angle BRQ plus angle BQR RQB is equal to 180 degree. Now what is angle RBQ? 35 degree plus 35 degree plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 70 degree plus angle RQB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle RQB is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore angle RQB will be equal to how much? 110 degree. Now sum number 5, there are two circles of center A and B touching externally at the point E, and there is a common tangent which is touching this circle at point D and touching this circle at point C, and we have to find out the length CD. So we have to find out the length CD. दो सर्कल है, दोनों का एक का सेंटर A है, दूसरा का B है, और दोनों एक्सटर्नली टच होता है एट पॉइंट E, और एक कॉमन टेंजेंट है दैट इज लाइन L, और वो टेंजेंट जो है वो ए सर्कल को एट पॉइंट डी में टच होता है और ये सर्कल को एट पॉइंट सी में टच होता है, और लेंथ सी डी ढूंढना है. कंस्ट्रक्शन जॉइन ए सी, जो भी रेड कलर में बताया वो सब कंस्ट्रक्शन है. जॉइन ए सी, जॉइन बी डी एंड ड्रॉ ए एफ परपेंडिकुलर टू बी डी. So we have to join AC and join BD, and AF we have to draw perpendicular to BD. And solution, like the previous sum, this circles with centers A and B touch each other at E such that A dash E dash B, that is this, A, E, B are collinear point by theorem of touching circle. Now AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE, so this will also be 4 centimeter. So AC is equal to AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly, in the other circle, BD is equal to BE. BD is equal to BE, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So this will be 6 centimeter. Reason what you'll write, radii of the same circle. Now we will find out this distance AB. AB is equal to what? AE plus BE. So AB is equal to what? AE plus BE. That is equal to how much? AE is 4 and BE is 6. That's equal to 10 centimeter. Reason what you'll write? Distance between the centers of two circles touching externally is equal to to the sum of radii, to the sum of their radii. So this we had done before itself only. अगर दो circle बाहर से touch externally touch होता है तो distance between the center is how much? The sum of the radii, that is 4 plus 6. Now angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle BDC, that is this angle and this angle. BDC is equal to how much? 90 degree. Why? Tangent theorem. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so tangent theorem. What theorem it is? Tangent theorem. Now AFD, angle AFD is how much? That is also equal to 90 degree by construction. So we had constructed it as 90 degree. Now these three angles are 90 degree, then the fourth angle will automatically become 90 degree. Therefore angle CAF, angle CAF is also 90 degree. Reason what you'll write? Remaining angle. So three angles are already 90 degree, so the fourth will become automatically 90 degree. Now all the four angles 1, 2, 3, 4 is all 90 degree. तो ये चारों angle 90 degree है, तो कौन सा type of quadrilateral हो गया? Quadrilateral ACDF is a rectangle. Since all the angles are 90 degree, therefore quadrilateral ACDF is a rectangle. Now opposite sides of rectangle are equal, so what? AC will be equal to DF. Therefore AC will be equal to DF will be equal to how much? 4 centimeter. Since AC is 4 centimeter, so DF will also be 4 centimeter. Reason what you'll write? Opposite sides of rectangle. Sides of rectangle. Now what is BD equal to? BD is made up of FD and BF. FD plus BF. BD is how much? BD is equal to 6 centimeter and FD is equal to 4 and BF we have to find out. Therefore BF will be equal to how much? 6 minus 4. Therefore BF is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter, that is this one. This is 2 centimeter. Now in this triangle, in triangle AFB, in a right angle triangle, in right angled triangle AFB, since it's a right angle triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem, this is 90 degree. Therefore AB will be the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to BF square plus AF square. Reason what you'll write? Pythagoras theorem. AB is what? 10 square is equal to BF is what? 2 square plus AF square. So 100 is equal to 4 plus AF square. Therefore AF square is equal to 100 minus 4. Therefore AF is equal to how much? AF square is equal to how much? 96. Therefore AF is equal to how much? Root 96, that's equal to root 16 into 6, that is equal to 4 root 6 centimeter. Now AF is equal to CD. Why? Opposite sides of rectangle. So AF is equal to CD. Reason what you'll write? Opposite sides of rectangle. Therefore, CD will be equal to how much? 4 root 6 centimeter.